Hello everyone, we are on the day 2 of the work immersion sa GK and na sila. As you can see, they are preparing for their interview because later on this afternoon they are tasked to interview 2 families and to ask what are their experience about GK, how did they get here, and to compare their life without GK and now that they're here in GK. So they are here, they just finished their lunch. As you can see, we have here Binmar, the most handsome of all, together with Jo Marie. Hello, it's already 1 and they're going to start their interview. So guys, are you ready? Yes! Okay, start now. Good luck, people. Again, remember the protocols, huh? Yes, sir. So I am here walking, nangita ako sa mga estudyante, ambot asa na karon. We are done, nag-uban nila Obril, so karon ako gipangita na pod karon ang uban ako mga estudyante. I think nangita gito sila og space wherein makakita sila interviewon. So stay put.
Bago nga batch aning kuan JK Rotary, so kanang apil naman to sila dahil sila mama sa Couples for Christ din.
Limit diri nakakuan may bisan og ikaduhan ni nila mga balay sa kuan naman lugtato. Lugtato naman di nasa meeting ng mga activities niya.
Ako dahil si Rosemary Parilliante yan. Kasi marasabi nga ni Constant. Ikon sa mo dira magparilya. Parilya din. Ang lasa ko kay Bulor. Parilya. Sige, uwa dyan kiro niya. Kataganon siya. Nakadagan mo tag siya. Danag. Pag-abot sa silingan. Nakuya ko.
Inuubang na diri sila sa GK kay kanang tungod daw kuno sa mga seminar, then their attitudes, their characteristics, or personality is about
Go ahead. Don't get distracted. We are listening. Sige, go.
their personality.
Everyone, we are still here on the GK immersion. It's already day 3, so check it out.
Hello, good kasabi. Are you angry with me? Don't do that. Because I'm so kapoy. Ayun, naglibtaan ko.
Hello everyone, we are preparing right now because we are going to Quezon! Say hi Binmar, live tayo via Bluetooth. Mga shy, mga taos ka. So we are heading to Quezon Junior and it's so abog, people. Mahirap dito sa Dubai. Ganyan talaga ang buhay dito sa Dubai. So yun, nakikita nyo ang aking mga pet. So yun, the talking pets. Oh yan, so yeah. Hello, hapit namin naabot and kumusta man ka diha ate? Kira ka? Kasi feeling ni mo nga hapit na ka makakubra sa Halits Kopras. Bitaw char lang. Hapit na maabot sa Quezon Junior. Kita ninyo guys. We're in. Tagianan is very hard. But yeah, we're almost there. So stay put. We're here, GK Quezon Junior people. So nice here. Yes, so it's worth the travel. Okay. Sige, pangkapoy namin. Or laban dyan. So, here's the aray. Here's the village. Well, it's know what, people? It's really nice here. Look, I'm gonna show you the view here in Quezon Junior. Look! So nice. So nice here. Wait, I'll show you. Hello? Now, andito naman tayo sa Bamboo Lagoon. Look, it's Bamboo Lagoon. And it's so nice here. Mga Repa peeps, look. We have here the students. So nice here. It's like heaven. Yeah. We wish we could stay for a while. It's really nice here. So, and now we are here in their garden. Nanguha og kamote. So, na sila nangita og kamote. Kanya na naman nakita diha ang kamote.
Naana, sir. Naana.
Sige daw, kasi.
O, tara, sir.
Tagwa pa bagis to. Ano naman napil nga taga ko ano eh? Taga dagat. Hello everybody, day 4 and where are they? Tuanong pa rin sudan because they are going to have their lunch. So naadiri ang uban nag-prepare sa ilahang lunch because late na sila late na sila nag-break because they are planning to have the Paraisong Pambata plan. So what it is, so look forward na lang sa next days. Hello everybody, day 5 and we're still here on GK. We have here, hey Jo Marie, what are you doing? Actually Jo Marie is preparing because later on this afternoon we are going to have, isa to bahaton Jo Marie? Karong hapon.
O, kasagot sa ilang gikuan, sabo.
Uy! It's actually we are going to have a Paraisong Pambata. So everyone is busy because we are going to have that activity this afternoon. So as you can see, they are planning because later on we will have a program. So they are on the program committee. I also have here Angel. She is cleaning because we will also have a feeding program. Hi Angel, kawai kawai. So, apil nila.
1, 2, 3, fisherman.
Sige.
Fisherman, man. Fisherman, man. 1, 2, 3, fisherman. The first one is Abraham. The first one is Abraham. The second one is Isaac. The second one is Isaac.
Hello everyone, since we're having a Paraisong Pambata, they are preparing for the prizes. So look at them. Hi people! You say wave. Are you all ready for the Paraisong Pambata? Yes! Okay, laban. Hi everybody, it's past 12 and we are preparing for
Paraisong Pambata!
and we are also preparing our champorado here because we are going to have also our feeding program and we have there our prize. It's because we are going also to have isa to mga duwa. Damo kaayo. So later on you'll see and watch out our Paraisong Pambata. So stay put. Everybody, we are already here in GK Human Nature, Block 7 in Tambulilid, and we are having the Paraisong Pambata. Look, they are playing already.
If you want it, take it. I should have said it before. Try to hide it, fake it. pretend anymore. I only wanna die alive, never by the hands of a broken heart. Don't wanna hear you lie tonight, now that I've become who I really are. This is
Hello everybody, we are actually doon sa Camellia and pauli nami, tanawan niyo ang mga Repa Pips, nagdag kaldero because we are already done with the Paraisong Pambata and it was very successful. So ang amo ang kanang award sa amo ang kagalingon is amo kanon ang sampurado, magluto niyo sampurado para sa amo kaugalingon. So stay put. Hi, say hi kaway kaway. Are you ready to eat sampurado? Okay, say bunitin na niyo diha.